Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change preview format quality on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub, which is an app for every single ELGATO camera. Now make sure that the device input is ELGATO Facecam MK.2, just like mine. And here right at the bottom we have the preview format. Now here we can change it to even 540p 30 frames per second. As you guys can see, it looks just like this. And now we can change it back to 1080p 60 fps. As you guys can see, the preview format quality actually is much worse here, and here is much better. So this is how. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.